How should we manage and allocate 15K budget for travel agency that works in Estonia? We're planning to advertise 15 destinations with search and display. So then you allocate your budgets according to the networks. So you can say I'm going to allocate 10,000 on search network, 3,000 on display, and 2,000 on remarketing, which you have not mentioned. I cannot give you a breakdown as to what's happening, but if you find that the display network is giving you better results and ROI than the search, because the click costs are a lot cheaper, and if you do this right, you are going to make a lot of money with display. The scalability is crazy, and you got a decent amount of budget to play with. Use Performance Max as well. Use YouTube as video ads, and if you're struggling with these, get in touch with me. We can have a chat, and I can teach you how to do all of this. But yeah, just and allocate about 5 to 10% of the budget for testing, for new things, so that you are always looking for something new and different.